Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to integrate Jira with GitHub. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. First thing that you need to do is to log in into your Jira software account into your browser in order for you to be able to integrate GitHub into your Jira account. Once you are logged in, what you can do is on the upper part of the screen, you can see beside the word create, there is apps. That is what you will click, and you will be routed into a page where you will be able to see a lot of apps that you will be able to integrate here with Jira. So when you click on apps, just click on explore apps, and then here you will be able to look into the recommended apps, or you can search it manually here on this box. Let's search for GitHub. Just click on enter, and there you have a lot of integrations that you can choose. For me, I'll just choose this staff pick integration. And when I click on it, what you will need to do is just click on get app. That's a yellow button on the side here. It's for free, so you don't have to worry. So when you click on get app, you just wait for it to load, and then you can just wait until it will be fully applied or integrated into your Jira account. Here and there you have it. It has been successful. Now you can review your app management, and you will be able to see that GitHub rather is now added into your Jira account. And that's basically how you integrate Jira with GitHub. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.